In today's video, we will be discussing the recent announcement made by Tilray, one of the largest cannabis companies in the world, regarding its acquisition of HEXO Corp. Before we delve into the details of the acquisition, let's first provide some background information on Tilray and HEXO Corp. Tilray is a Canadian cannabis company that was founded in 2013. The company operates in several countries, including Canada, the United States, and Europe. Tilray is one of the largest cannabis companies in the world and has a market cap of over $6 billion. HEXO Corp is another Canadian cannabis company that was founded in 2013. The company operates primarily in Canada and has a market cap of over $1.5 billion. HEXO Corp is known for its production of high-quality cannabis products and has won several awards for its products. On March 30, 2021, Tilray announced that it had entered into a definitive agreement to acquire 100% of HEXO Corp's outstanding shares. The acquisition is an all-stock transaction that values HEXO Corp at approximately $2.3 billion. According to the announcement, the acquisition is expected to be accretive to Tilray's revenue and earnings. The combined company is expected to have a pro forma revenue of $874 million for the fiscal year 2020. So, what are the benefits of the Tilray acquisition of HEXO Corp? Firstly, the acquisition will create a larger and more diversified cannabis company. The combined company will have a more extensive product portfolio, including both medical and recreational cannabis products, as well as CBD products. Secondly, the acquisition is expected to result in significant cost savings. The combined company is expected to achieve annual cost savings of approximately $78 million within the first 2 years of the acquisition. Thirdly, the acquisition will enable the combined company to expand its operations globally. Tilray already operates in several countries, and the acquisition of HEXO Corp will provide the company with a stronger foothold in the Canadian market, as well as the potential to expand into new markets. While there are undoubtedly benefits to the Tilray acquisition of HEXO Corp, there are also risks associated with the deal. Firstly, the cannabis industry is highly regulated, and changes in legislation could negatively impact the industry. The combined company will be more exposed to regulatory risks, which could have a significant impact on its financial performance. Secondly, the integration of two large companies can be challenging and may take longer than expected. Delays in the integration process could result in higher costs and lower revenue growth. Thirdly, the combined company may face increased competition from other large cannabis companies. The cannabis industry is becoming increasingly competitive, and the combined company may find it challenging to maintain its market share. The Tilray acquisition of HEXO Corp is expected to have a significant impact on the cannabis industry. Firstly, the acquisition is expected to trigger a wave of consolidation in the cannabis industry. With the creation of a larger company, other smaller companies may look to merge or form partnerships to compete with Tilray. Secondly, the acquisition is expected to increase competition in the cannabis industry. The new entity has a diverse portfolio of cannabis products that includes medical and recreational cannabis products, as well as CBD products. This means that the company is well positioned to capture a larger market share and compete with other cannabis companies. Thirdly, the acquisition is expected to drive innovation in the cannabis industry. With more capital to invest in research and development, the combined company will be able to develop new and innovative products to meet the evolving needs of the market. So, what does the future hold for Tilray and HEXO Corp? The combined company is expected to be a major player in the cannabis industry. With a diverse portfolio of products and a strong presence in multiple countries, the company is well positioned to compete with other large cannabis companies. In addition, the acquisition is expected to result in significant cost savings, which will improve the company's financial performance. However, the cannabis industry is still in its early stages, and there are several challenges that the company will need to overcome. These challenges include regulatory risks, increased competition, and the need to continue innovating and developing new products. Overall, the Tilray acquisition of HEXO Corp is a significant development in the cannabis industry. It creates a larger and more diversified cannabis company that is well positioned to compete with other large cannabis companies. However, there are also risks associated with the deal, and it remains to be seen how the combined company will perform in the years to come. That's all for today's video on the Tilray acquisition of HEXO Corp. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. As always, we encourage you to do your research before making any investment decisions. The cannabis industry is still in its early stages, and there are several risks associated with investing in cannabis companies.